Hello friends, I am Devlina Banerjee and I am very happy to share some good news with you today. I have successfully cleared the NISM 5A exam and with Finomatic's complete training and guidance, I have officially stepped into the world of mutual fund distribution. Nowadays, people are able to save money, but the real challenge is knowing where to invest it wisely, how to set financial goals, and how to secure their future. This lack of financial literacy is what stops many people from fulfilling their dreams, and this is exactly where Finomatic stands with you as your trusted companion. Mutual funds are a simple yet powerful product where your money is managed by professionals and you can achieve your long term goals in a systematic way. And the best part, you don't have to walk this journey alone. Finomatic is here to guide you in every steps of the way. Do you know when India's mutual fund journey began? In 1964, when UTI Mutual Fund introduced concept of equity and wealth creation. At that time, people only knew about fixed deposits, LIC. One inspiring example is the UTI Flexica Fund, which started in 1992 with the NAV of just rupees 10. And today is 2025, it's NAV over 300. True example of the power of long-term investing. Friends, I am an employee at Finomatic, but this achievement is not just mine. It belongs to the entire Finomatic family. Today, I am a living proof that with the right training and the right guidance, anyone can build a successful financial journey. Whether you are a partner or a client, if you want to achieve your dreams and secure your future, come join us at Finomatic. Together, let's build a confident and secure financial future. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Please read the offer document carefully before investing.